Hi! Welcome back to my channel. How do you guys cope with the pandemic? Did you stay home and cook healthy meals for your family? Did you realize that it's almost 9 months since then? Hindi ka ba nauubusan ng mga recipes or ideas on what to cook? If your answer is yes, well, the feeling is mutual. So I thought of making a twist. Today, I'm showing you how to make tinola congee.
What?
Yes, you heard me right. It's tinola congee. Tinola is a Filipino soup dish with chicken, ginger, and veggies. Okay, so start with, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to saute my sliced ginger. It is important to toast the ginger because it releases extraordinary aroma.
Trust me.
Then the white onions, minced garlic, for the chicken, I'm using chicken thigh fillet. I use fillet because I want to enjoy my congee without the bones. That is half a kilo of chicken. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. After 5 minutes or when the chicken has changed the color, I'm going to add 1½ cup of uncooked rice. Next, I'm gonna add chicken broth instead of water. Then I'm gonna simmer this for 40 minutes. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna add the lemongrass and turn to low heat. It's been 30 minutes. And I'm going to add sayote. I like sayote because its sweetness will complement the saltiness of the fish sauce. Now I'm gonna remove the lemongrass. Remember to stir it from time to time. I'm gonna season with salt. You can adjust the salt according to the preference of your taste. Okay? Then, black pepper. Lastly, I'm gonna add malunggay leaves. I'm gonna cover this for last 5 minutes. Now it's ready. That's it, guys! I hope you got an inspiration from this video. Always remember that every day is a blank page to draw. Be happy and be inspired. Once again, tinola congee for your new menu. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!